Add a box. Subdivided 6 times. Select the alternative vertex manually like this, or select all vertex, and apply checker select. After selecting vertex, go to vertex menu, and apply connect vertex pairs. Deselect the border vertices. Again in vertices menu, apply bevel vertices. Go to edge mode, and apply edge bevel. Again go to vertices mode, and extrude on y-axis. Then apply a subdivision modifier. Right click and apply shade smooth. Same process here, but instead of subdivide I use loop cut. Select manually, or apply checker select. In vertices menu, apply connect vertices pair. Deselect border vertices. Apply bevel vertices. Extrude on y-axis. Apply subdivision modifier. Move some vertices on positive y-axis for better look.